to another episode of C.J.'s Hot Rods. Let me move in shop a little bit, turn y'all around. See what we've progressed a little bit since last time. In the last video, we just had a suspension engine. You see, we've got the engine sitting in here now. I had to do some searching for an oil pan, but I found one that fit. It's a Canton oil pan for the Cleveland, but it's meant for a Fox Body Mustang swap. We got some headers coming. We started putting the cage in, but we'll get to more of that here in just a second. We've also got some parts that came in, and we got our Willwood master cylinder. I ordered a portion valve. I ordered a brake and clutch pedal kit from Willwood also, but I'm not 100% sure if it's going to work because I didn't order a offset set because I like the way the straight pedals look. And then I started looking at it a little bit closer. I'm not 100% sure if the straight pedal set is going to work in here, so we might have to do something different about that. We started putting the roll cage in, but I got to undo some of it. I'm going to have to cut these. I'm going to have to take these top bars out. So let's see if I can snake my way around here. Shop's a mess right now. It'd probably help if I set my coffee down too, wouldn't it? So I got to take this board. I don't necessarily have, I guess I don't have to take them out, but it'd make it a lot easier. We got some rust to fix. I got so excited about getting stuff done that I kind of forgot about some of the rust repair we still got to do back here. So I got to remove these rear bars, but nothing's completely welded solid right now. It's just heavy tacks. So that's what we're going to do here in a few minutes. I'm going to set a camera up in there and I'm going to start cutting those bars out. See, I got that bar cut out. I didn't record it. The batteries were dead. Everything was charging, so I went ahead and started. Got the bar cut out. Got this right here cut out. I got a little cleanup left to do on it, and I'm gonna make a panel. I'm gonna do it in two separate pieces. I'm gonna do it in the bottom panel, and then I'm gonna wrap a piece for that. Wrap a piece for this bottom panel, weld them together. And that side will be fixed, and then we've got to move over here to this side. All right, I didn't get the first panel cut quite right, so instead of cutting a whole new piece of metal, I just made a little patch down here to cover that gap. I think that's gonna work. I'm gonna make a piece to cover this, which y'all probably can't see that because the light's in the way. But yeah, looks good to me. Now I gotta clean it. All right, I got the panel cut. I got to cut that radius, but I got a little cleanup to do. fun part. So I got that tacked in. I'm going to go cut this piece right here now, and we'll get that one welded in. All right, so I got my piece made, or cut. So I've got to wrap this around this. It's not perfect, but we ain't going for perfect, are we? We're going for race car. I got that patch in, got it welded in. just got to do some cleanup and grinding, and then we can put that bar back down. Put that bar back up there, attach it to the hoop, and get this side completely welded in. So I got one patch done. Don't pay attention to that little light you see coming over there. I got to take care of that too, but that's project for another day. So I got one patch done. Now it's time to move over to the other side, get that taken care of before we start welding the bars back in. But that's it don't look too bad. It's not perfect, but I think it's gonna do. Just got the bar cut out. I'll clean those welds up or grind the rest of it off. And now it's time to come back here and start working on getting those holes patched up. All right, so now we're going to measure this piece and cut it out and see how close we can get it. Got the straight edge clamped where I think it's going to want to be. Spin this around. Get her close enough. Both sides patched. Got the bars back in. Pretty much got to hold this part of the cage welded. Still not sure if I'm gonna put the door bars in yet or not. It's just gonna be a street car. So I'm gonna clean up some of these welds because they're not the best looking. Maybe touch a couple of them up if there's any bad spots. But yeah, this is just sitting here. But it's kind of tough to get in and out of it with it there. So I don't know if we're gonna put that in or not.
Thanks for watching C.Js-Hotrods. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share.